social bias is a real thing. You gotta have people trust you before you can sell them anything.
And then there's the art to maintain it. Like Starbucks and Target are undergoing so many shifts right now and like trying to re-engage that trust. I just heard a whole like TikTok, someone explaining all that and how valuable just your actual story is.
I mean, Duolingo completely ruined. I mean, their brand was like the brand to look for. They are doing so well at socials. They have this massive organic following, this massive community, and they just completely destroyed it by ruining their trust. And I don't think they're getting it back because it was such a big trust break, but that building of the trust is huge for any brand. The CEO announced that they were firing all of their independent contractors and using AI instead to create lessons. And they lost like a lot of people.
I mean, this could be a major decision, and that's why there's such a drastic consequence.
It was one post by the CEO. You know Duolingo, they were that Super Bowl ad with the little butt, and it was everywhere. They would go viral with every single post they did, and now they're lucky if one post goes viral and then half the comments are people being like, I canceled my membership because you're using robot. It's like one post went wrong. People these days, especially our generation, we are not as loyal to brands. And for good reason, right? I'm not going to continue to buy Levi's. I can access brands from all around the world now. There is an international market. I do not need to buy Levi's if I don't want to buy Levi's. So if they're not marketing to me, I am not going to continue to shop there, even if I have in the past. And that's not what used to happen. Back in the day, you bought Levi's the rest of your life because that was a brand you trusted. Now, when you trust a brand, that trust can be broken and you can easily go elsewhere and go, you know what? I'm going to shop Abercrombie now because their brand is marketing to me and that's a brand that I trust. And, so yeah, exactly.